Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got this challenge lock here. It was made by Boner Jam from Discord. He made it for Mr. Paradise, who sent it to me. Let's see. That was pin 2 or pin 1. Five is jiggling 4. 3 is good. Let me reset that. And there's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1. Oh, and just touch 2, got a false set. I think it's counter rotation on 1. Trying to get it up. All right. 2 is jiggling. 3, 4, 5 feels good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me check that plunger. Okay, yeah. Got some core movement there. 6, 5, nothing. There we go. So, let y'all get a better look at that engraving work. He did a fantastic job on that. He does all this by hand with a homemade engraver. I should put it like that. All right, let's see if we can get it gutted. I got the key laying here somewhere. What I do with it? Here it is. Tales from the Crypto. LockMakerTattooer is his YouTube. And I think, like I said, he's Boner Jam on Discord. So, all right, let's get this gutted. That's the wrong size. Let's use that one. I set it out for a reason. And I lost a spring, but it landed right there. Let's get his driver pin. So you got two little spools, or a deep spool and a kind of a mushroom and a mini spool. Standard on 3. See what we got on 4. I don't recall feeling much on 4. Oh, it was a spool too. No, T-pin. That's probably why I didn't feel much of it. I can turn that around. There we go. Okay, standard. Let's see what we got on 6. Launched the spring, but I caught it. Butterfingers today. And another T-pin. That one was snagging. I thought that was serrated. Alright, those look chewed up, but hopefully we can get these off without messing anything up. Take a look at the key pins and the plug. See if he did any undermilling or cool stuff with it. Take the tailpiece off. We got the key pins already. I mean the drivers. We'll hang on to this sidebar. Okay. Now the sidebar should just be a regular bi-level sidebar. Okay, we'll just set that there. And the bi-level plunger, you guys can see when you push the plunger in, it just moves and lets the sidebar fall in. We'll leave that plunger alone. I don't want to drop it. Dropped a key pin, missed the tray. That's a nice pretty spool. Nice torpedo. Another very nice torpedo. Another torpedo. He really put some work into these key pins. Another torpedo. And let's see what the last one is. It's spooled, but not too much. I don't see. Grab that one. I don't see anything done to the core. So I'm going to leave that alone. We don't want it popping out. And let's check the bitting on the key. Alright, so we got high lifts up front and a high on 6 with very low on, what is that, 3 and 5. So you're definitely trying to make use of those torpedo key pins and oversetting. So all in all, very nice challenge lock. Looks great. He did a fantastic job on the engraving. I'll wrap that back up. All right, this is how you do it, guys. You don't put you don't wrap the key in tape. You put something around it so we don't gum up somebody's lock that they worked hard on. But other than that, I think that'll be it. And I'm gonna put this thing back together. I guess I'll actually make sure those are in focus. There we go. Like I said, some really nice key pins. Really trying to make use of the overset traps. Nice T-pins there. And these two, especially this one, I didn't think that was a spool, and that felt like a serrated. So it definitely was full of surprises. So thanks again. Y'all have a good one.